Have you ever wondered why 95% of people never become successful? It's not because they're not smart. It's not because they don't have money. It's because they never learn how to use their time wisely. And today, in the next few minutes, you're about to discover the single most powerful habit that can completely transform your future. This might become the most important 15 minutes of your life. Let's begin.
The real value of time. Time is the only thing in the world that every human receives equally. No matter who you are, rich or poor, educated or not, living in New York or living in a small village, you get the same 24 hours every single day. But the truth is, not everyone uses their 24 hours the same way. And that is what creates the difference between ordinary people and extraordinary people. Successful people don't have more time. They only have better habits.
Chapter 1. Why most people waste time. Most people waste time for 3 simple reasons. Number 1, they think they have a lot of time. They say, "I'll do it tomorrow. I'll start next week. I have time." They don't realize that tomorrow turns into next month, and next month turns into next year. Number 2, they stay busy but not productive. A whole day passes, scrolling, chatting, running around, and at night they feel like nothing meaningful was done. Number 3, they don't know their priorities. When you don't choose your priorities, other people choose them for you. And that's how time slips away silently.
Chapter 2. Jack Ma's 5 life-changing lessons on using time. Jack Ma once said, "Your future depends on how you spend your time today." Let's look at 5 powerful lessons from him. Lesson 1. The 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. golden hours. He says mornings are your CEO hours. If you win your morning, you win your day. Lesson 2. Spend at least 10 hours a week learning new skills. Skills create opportunities. Without skills, even the biggest opportunity becomes useless. Lesson 3. Learn to say no. Protect your time. Not every request, task, or distraction deserves your attention. Lesson 4. Don't fear mistakes. Use them. A mistake you don't learn from is the real time waster. Lesson 5. Treat time like an investment, not money. Money comes and goes, but time only goes and never comes back.
Chapter 3. Where are you losing time? Reality check. Ask yourself honestly, how many hours a day go into scrolling? How many minutes do you invest in learning? What new skill did you learn this year? Are you actually productive or just busy? Are you moving toward your future or just surviving your day? If these questions make you uncomfortable, that's a sign. A sign that it's time to change.
Chapter 4. 5 practical steps to use your time wisely. These are simple, but if you apply them every day, your life will shift. Step 1. Write down 3 things that will shape your future. Just 3. Learning, fitness, English, business, freelancing, anything. Spend at least 1 hour daily on these 3 important goals. Step 2. Uninstall 2 apps that waste your time. Just 2. This single action can save you 1 to 2 hours every day. Step 3. The 45-15 rule. Focus for 45 minutes, rest for 15. This method will double your productivity. Step 4. Stop letting others control your time. If you don't value your time, no one else ever will. Step 5. Plan your next day for just 10 minutes each night. This small habit will increase your next day's productivity by more than 200%.
Chapter 5. The Success Timeline. 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. In the first 3 months, you build habits. Your discipline increases. Your mind becomes sharper. In 6 months, people around you notice the change. You start getting new opportunities. You feel more confident. In 1 year, you become a completely different person. More skilled, more knowledgeable, more confident, more valuable. Your life begins to look nothing like it used to.
Final message: the power of time. Time is the most precious gift life has given you. If you waste time, time will waste you. But if you invest your time wisely, your future will reward you in ways you cannot even imagine today. So remember, success is not about how many hours you have. Success is about how you use the hours you have. Make your